Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how to get Dragon Balls. So in order to get a Dragon Ball, you have to complete quests such as, quests like these. Earn 50 points. Now how do you earn points? Complete 1 daily quest with a friend, complete 3 daily quests with a friend, and then reboot rally. Rally your friends from your profile or reboot event. So yeah. And then you got daily quests as well. So this is basically it. We've got the Cypher PK quest. This is the same thing as Dragon Ball Z quest, right? Eliminate opponents with a shotgun at Cypher PK. That's about it. This is how you had to earn Dragon Balls. Instead of getting XP, you would complete the quest and you would earn a Dragon Ball. That's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.